Hey, once again, good morning. We have another chapter which is very special for you because of it's really important. People who don't believe and don't have big knowledge about the Google and a lot of its components, they don't understand the real value of the Google today. Okay, it's a very important question, and to really understand the concept, what I'm saying to you, Google Drive is really an essential. Just few days ago I have been seeing the people are having a pen drive and just moving here to there, to and fro, and getting problem, but they have not a secure location where they can store their files. But today with a smartphone it's very easy that you can hold your data all together, and you can go anywhere with your Google. Just see here, this is my drive. I have just used my drive. This is Google Drive. I will tell you how you can access the Google Drive, but this is Google Drive I have, in which I have different kinds of data stored, right? So it's very easy to, even I have a lot of folders here. I can access them. Many folders I have that you could really see here already. These are the list of folders, right? So that's very easier to go, and you can understand every folders, and you can know by just typing drive. You will type drive, DRI, drive. Google automatically coming here. If not, then you can do this. Only you can type drive. Okay, if suppose it's no doubt, you have doubt about that, you can just click the drive. So it will search out the drive and it will go to say my drive, right? Now click on my drive. If you are logged in with the Google account like Gmail, etc., so that will be definitely going to your address of your drive. But if not, then it may ask you about login, right? So you can just, like you can see, I'm already logged in here, so it will directly access me to my drive, right? But if suppose you don't have any connection Gmail, so you have to go to once login platform, right? So here is directly my drive starts. I can store my videos, my photos, my datas, my files. Okay, and it's very easy to access. When you go to your smartphones, you can easily access it. So I hope now you understand, and even you can trace if some data are not properly accessed to your folder. You can go here to check out. Even this is the storage location, how much you can, even you can buy more storage area. Now at this time I have 3.7 GB that my data, and 15 GB I have total space, right? So this is a big space that you enjoy that. There are several folders I have created, and under that my personal data there is, right? So this is personal, you should not show others, and should have the protective password together, and never disclose your password and security materials which are very important to you, and altogether that's very nice. I hope you will understand. If you have any doubt about this, you can ask on comment. Thanks, good day.